Hey students, today we are going to discuss nouns. Noun is basically name of anything, like it can be any person name, place name, or it can be any idea. Okay? Okay, let's move towards the definition of noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Some nouns name people like daughter, passenger, and firefighter. Some nouns name places like forest, zoo, and island. Some noun name things like lion and hammer. Nouns like month or question name things you can't see or touch. Some nouns name ideas like courage, wisdom, and happiness. In short, noun is basically a name of anything. Like it can be any person name, place name, things name, like month's name. Some nouns name ideas like courage, wisdom, and happiness. Okay, concrete noun. Concrete noun names a person, place, or thing that is a physical object. Like the thing must be exist in its physical state. This means that you can see, hear, smell, taste, or touch it. Like friend, home, loop flower, etc. are the examples of concrete noun. Abstract noun. An abstract noun names an idea, feeling, quality, or concept. It is not a physical object like concrete noun. This means that you can think about an abstract noun, but you can't see, hear, smell, taste, or touch it. Like power, fear, wisdom, Sunday, etc. are the examples of an abstract noun. Okay. The king uses his power wisely. In this sentence, king is a concrete noun because it is exists in its physical state, whereas power is an abstract noun. It is not a physical object, so it cannot be seen, heard, smelled, taste, or touch. That's why power is an abstract noun. Okay. As I have told you that noun is basically a name of anything, like it can be any person, place, things, or ideas. We have common noun and proper noun. Okay, common noun names a general type of a person, place, thing, or idea. A common noun is not capitalized except when it is the first word in a sentence. Like boy, city, phone, etc. are the examples of common noun. So, basically, common noun is a general name for a person, place, or thing. It does not point to one specific person, it's just a category name like boy category, cities, phone, etc. are the examples of common noun. Whereas proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing. A proper noun is always capitalized. Ali, Lahore, Samsung. Okay, these are the examples of proper noun. One thing you must know about the common noun is that it does not point to one specific person. It is just a category name, and it has one rule that they are not capitalized until or unless they start a sentence. Okay, some of the examples of common noun and proper noun are common noun: boy, day, street, city, etc. They are the examples of common noun. Whereas Jacoban, Tuesday, Elm Street, Ottawa. They are the examples of proper noun. One thing you notice that uh, Jacoba, Tuesday, Elm Street, Ottawa, they all have capitalized. Why they are capitalized? Because they are specific names of a specific person or specific places. Okay. My grandmother was born and raised in Germany. In this example, grandmother is a common noun and Germany is a proper noun because it is a name of a specific country. So, it is a proper noun. Okay. Singular means one. Okay, like one tree, one pencil. Whereas plural means more than one. With most singular words, add s to make them plural, like one tree. So its plural is trees, two trees. We simply add s to make them plural. If a singular word ends in s, h, sh, ch, x, or z, then add es to make its plural, like one bush. So its plural is two bushes. Okay? Some plurals are irregular, like they don't follow rules, like they don't follow the rule of add s or es to the end of the word. So you must remember each one, like child. So its plural is children. Mouse. Its plural is mice. Woman. Its plural is woman. The word children is plural. Singular form is child. Okay?